Welcome to this PV Manager tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can use the automatic module placement. When you go into the roof view, you can select different informations about your mounting system, the module manufacturer, the module type, and all the other informations about your mounting system. When you click on the automatic module placement, a small window opens. Here you can select what quantity of modules you want to have. If you want to use the full roof area, or you only want some rows and some columns. In this project, we will use the full roof area. You can also select the position of the module arrays, if you want them on the roof symmetric, or you want to start from a corner, like the top left or the top right. Here you can type in the margin area to the roof edge. The default setting is 0.3 meters. If you want to place the modules until the roof edge, you can just type in 0 meters. The next step is to select the expansion joints. Here you can select if you want them after a special distance or after a special number of modules. That you can type in for the horizontal direction and for the vertical direction. You can also select if you want to extend the rails with an exceeded overhang. If you click on OK, the PV Manager places the modules on the roof. Like here, we have 30 modules with about 12.75 kilowatt peak.